Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, May the 17th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and three puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars, the binary, and a killer Sudoku. But it's time now for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4564. 4564. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the 4th 1 here, then we still have 3 O's. 3 O's in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then let me see. Ooh, then it will be difficult now. Yeah, a lot of things. Oh, between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Then. Yeah, what is the next step? Well, if I compare with this row and that row, we have 0011, 00, empty box, 11, 0011, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then we need. Do we need to compare? Well, double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. I think we need to compare now. This one look almost the same. Okay. 3. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Overlooked. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can I compare again? That's the question. This row, this column is almost the same as that column. Okay, so this, that one, but also do we have a double O here? No. So how about this one? Yes. No, this is not the same. Double one. This. No. This one is almost the same. We have a double one here. No. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about the rows? One. Oh no. This row and that row. If you compare 1100 empty box, 1100 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. Oh, sorry. That digit, not this one, that one. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And I've told you between this one I can compare and that one. Okay. This column and that column. Empty box. 1111 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. If we have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Wow. A lot of comparing. Well, I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.